Few things compare to the smell of freshly baked bread. Warm, inviting, and comforting. Picture slicing into a golden crust, revealing a soft, airy inside. It's one of life's simplest pleasures. But the real magic behind bread isn't a secret trick. It's something invisible: yeast. With just flour, salt, water, and yeast, a dense lump of dough transforms into a magnificent loaf. Yeast, a tiny living organism, is the secret helper that brings bread to life. When added to dough, yeast feasts on natural sugars, starting a process called fermentation. This quiet miracle happens right on our kitchen counters, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. Without yeast, bread would be nothing more than a hard, flat cracker. These tiny helpers create the texture, flavor, and soul of bread. So next time you enjoy a slice, remember the invisible magic at work. Fermentation is simply yeast eating sugars and producing alcohol and carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide forms bubbles, making bread rise and giving it that light, airy texture. Kneading dough develops gluten, which traps these bubbles inside. As the dough rises, it becomes soft and pillowy, a transformation powered by patience and microbes. After rising, the dough is shaped and baked. The oven's heat expands the bubbles even more, setting the bread's structure. Most of the alcohol bakes off, leaving behind delicious flavors. It's a perfect partnership: simple ingredients, our hands, and invisible yeast. Without this process, bread would be dense and heavy. Thanks to yeast, we get the irresistible loaf we love. Humans have partnered with microbes for thousands of years, long before we understood them. The first risen bread was likely a happy accident, when wild yeast fermented a forgotten dough. This discovery changed food forever, leading to softer, tastier bread. People passed down the secret, using a bit of old dough, called a starter, to begin each new batch. For centuries, fermentation seemed magical. In the 1800s, Louis Pasteur used a microscope to reveal that microbes were behind these transformations. His discovery revolutionized food, helping us make bread, beer, and wine safely. We learned to encourage helpful microbes and keep harmful ones out. Modern food science began with this ancient partnership. Every loaf connects us to a tradition stretching back millennia. Bread is just the start. Microbes are behind many favorite foods worldwide. Cheese begins with bacteria turning milk into curds and whey, then aging creates endless flavors. Yogurt is made by fermenting milk with bacteria, giving it tang and making it easier to digest. Pickles and kimchi rely on salt and bacteria to preserve vegetables and create bold flavors. Even chocolate and coffee are fermented. Microbes develop their signature tastes. Soy sauce, beer, and wine all depend on unique communities of yeast, bacteria, and molds. Each microbe brings its own flavor and texture to the table. These invisible chefs transform simple ingredients into culinary wonders. Fermentation is a global tradition, connecting cultures through food. Our kitchens are filled with the work of these tiny specialists. Every bite is a celebration of their unseen artistry. Fermented foods aren't just delicious, they're good for us too. Fermentation can make foods easier to digest and boost their nutritional value. Many fermented foods are rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Eating yogurt, kimchi, or sauerkraut adds these good microbes to our bodies. Fermentation connects us to ancient traditions and cultures worldwide. Sharing bread or cheese is a timeless ritual that brings people together. These foods create moments of joy and connection, thanks to our microbial partners. Next time you enjoy bread or yogurt, remember the invisible chefs behind the scenes. They turn simple ingredients into something truly special. Let's raise a glass to the secret world of microbes that enriches our food and our lives.